Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create Aptos address wallets. So how do we create our own Aptos address wallet? So I'm going to go to my query browser. I've already had the extension on my query browser, so I'm going to find it, and this is this Aptos. This is a Petra Aptos wallet. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to create an account there. So it's very simple. So guys, if you don't know how to add an extension, you can search one of our video and you're going to see how to add any extension, any wallet extension on Kiwi browser very easily. So I'm going to create new, and I'm going to create the password for it. So I'm going to confirm the password. Okay, so I'm going to click on agree and I'm going to click on continue. And now security copy faces, click on it to refreeze it. So you can see, so I'm just going to do this. After that, I'm going to click on continue. You can see these are these show us the which word is in your 12 words. So I'm going to click on skip. I'll just do that one later, and this is it. So you can download the extra app and get your free player. Now click on done once you're done, and this is it. I've created my Aptos address wallet. It's very simple. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.